Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and make a quick video about a cool little feature that YouTube has. I'm sure you already know about it. It's just I don't really see a lot of people using it, and I think it could be beneficial, especially as affiliate marketers, and particularly to the new affiliate marketers or the newbies or the people who are trying to get into this, how to promote other people's products, how to make money off of connecting a solution to somebody else's problem. That's what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell. You are connecting, you are the middleman connecting one person's product to another person's problem, right? They got a problem, they want to make money online. Well, I got a solution. Over here, say TextBot AI, where you can make $100 a day by sharing a number. Well, I present that solution to the person's problem of wanting to make money online. You see, that's all affiliate marketing is. Everyone does it. Everyone does it, and they may not even know that they do it. But every major corporation does it. They have a marketing budget that they particularly spend on marketing and spreading their brand. Like Cash App, right? You can use Cash App, but if you promote Cash App for Cash App, you can get $5 for everybody that signs up, and then they can get $5. That comes directly out of their Cash App's marketing budget for promotion, and they just pay you to be the marketer. We do it all the time. I mean, and you actually do it for free when you recommend to your friends the best restaurant to eat at on a Saturday. The problem is that restaurant isn't paying you directly. So as affiliate marketers, we found a way to get paid for promoting other people's businesses and services. So anyway, that's that. And part of affiliate marketing, we use YouTube to make lots of content to promote other people's products. So anyway, with that out of the way, I want to show you an example of, I just randomly am going to pick a video just to show you how not everyone uses this particular branding technique. And if I didn't say it already, I think it's a good way if you make videos and you don't record yourself. I think it's a good way that you can put your image on the video so people still know it's you. And also, too, it's a strategy to promote your channel because people use your videos, and you can use. And let me say this: you can use whatever video you want of mine. I don't care. But people use your videos on their channels, in their promotions, in their funnels, and everything. But the credit never goes back to the person who made the video. Rarely, right? So by branding it and putting a watermark on there, it makes it a clickable image. And if the person watching their video in the funnel or wherever, they can always click back and come back directly to your channel. So I think it's a way to bring more traffic to your channel, more subscribers, and putting your channel out there as your own personal marketing. Like, especially if you have an image of yourself on there, I think that'll also let the viewer know that you're a real person or whatever. So anyway, I'm going to pull up a random video like, let's see. Let me look. I'm going to just type in videos. Or no, I'm going to type in TextBot AI, right? I'm going to pull up a video for TextBot AI. So here's a random video. I'll just click here. Right? Now,
Hey,
like this video does not have a watermark. So like this guy, he's making videos and obviously he doesn't have a brand or a watermark. So that's kind of a random video. I mean, I can look at all of these videos and there's nobody branding, nobody has an image in the right-hand corner just showing that they can click back to their channel. Here's another one. See, there's no brand here or whatever. So that's what I want to show you how to do. It's a technique that doesn't seem like it's being used a lot. And I think it's an excellent strategy, like I said, to brand yourself, always tie back to your channel, and also allow people to see, if you use an image, that you're a real person, or see who you are. So here's a video that I made the other day, and it's about text bot AI, how you can make $100 over and over again just by sharing a phone number, right? Or a website. So you can do this online or offline, but that's not the point. So there's no watermark here. So I want to show you how to put one there. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your channel. Now there's two ways to get there. You can either go here, hit YouTube Studios, and then it'll take you there. Or the easier way is just to hit Customize Channel. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your channel customizations. Okay. Now, all you do is you click branding. Okay. So it's the same place where you add your image, your profile image, and your banners. But you scroll down here and you have this thing called watermarks. Okay. So it says the watermark will appear on your video in the right-hand corner of the video player. And it's saying an image that's 150 by 150 pixels is recommended. And so this is where the watermark will appear. Now, you saw the video that I'm showing you. It doesn't have a watermark, right? There's no watermark. So I'm going to add one. So I'm going to click upload. And what I'm going to do is go to, let's see here, pictures, my profile pics. And I'm just going to grab this picture. I'm going to hit open, and then I'm going to hit done. Okay. So there, that's as simple as it is. Now, you got three choices. You can customize the watermark. It says customize when the watermark is displayed. So you can have it appear at the end of the video. You can have it appear at the beginning of a video and you set the time, or you can have it through the entire video. Me, I'm debating on how to do it, but I'm probably just going to leave it up the entire video. Why not, right? So then you hit publish. Okay, now I go back to my channel. And now, see, now my video here, I'll click it.
Hey guys, Steve here.
And boom, I have a watermark here of my image with my name, right? And I can click it and it takes me to my channel. Awesome, right? So that's just a way that you can brand your videos. If other people if other people share your videos, or like I said, use your videos in training purposes or in their funnels or whatever, they'll always be able to get back to the source. And like I said, I don't mind, I don't care that people use my videos, just more views for me, right? But it always has a way to link back to you. Now, mind you, you don't have to use a profile pic. You can use whatever you want, whatever image you want in this corner. And I think it's an excellent way to, brand yourself and allow other people to share your stuff, your content, and still be directed back to your channel so you can get some kind of traffic, or some kind of views for your hard labor, quote unquote, right? So anyway, that's all that I got. I hope you appreciated the video and got some content out of it. As always, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.